everybody, we are still in problem set 1.1. And we are now in question 21. So they ask us, we have the three vectors, okay, these are the axes. The x-axis, the y-axis, the z-axis. And we have the three vectors. Okay, we have, which we have them in page 9. I will copy it for you. Some vector named u. And a vector named v. And another vector named w. And we are being asked about the triangle. Okay, we have the triangle between the tips of the vectors. For example, this is, if we want this arrow that points to here, what is it really? It is the vector from, we went to this point is u, okay? And if we want to go to this point, okay, this is minus u plus v, okay? So it's actually v minus u, okay? So this is v minus u. This arrow, this short arrow to here. And in the same way, we have this arrow, okay, this short arrow, and we went to w to get to here. And if we want to go from here to here, which is this arrow, we go in the opposite direction of w, so it's minus w plus u. So minus w plus u, it's u minus w. Okay, we can switch the order. So it's u minus w. And the last one we have from here to here, okay, this arrow. So we have from, we reached here by v, so we are already here. If we want to get back, we go by minus v, so it's in this way, minus v plus w, okay? To get the effect of this arrow, we can go like this, in the opposite direction of v, minus v, and then in the positive direction of w, so minus v plus w. minus v plus w, it's w minus v. Okay, so this is w minus v. Okay, so these are the three vectors that they are talking about. But in any way, if we connect 3 points, okay, by triangle, let's think about it okay, let's first add them, and you will see that they are 0, okay? But I want to explain it in general, that in a second, that if we get back to the same point, we are also in 0. We didn't move at all. We went to here, and then back. Or we went to here, and then back. So we didn't move at all. But if you want, you can do it algebraically. Let's say, let's begin with this one. So v minus w, I'm sorry, v minus u plus, let's say, this one, w minus v, plus u minus w. Okay, so each one of them appears once in a positive. Let's see, for example, v. We have v in a positive with a plus, and we have v in a negative with a minus. The same way we have u in a minus and u in a plus. W with a plus and w in a minus. Each of them we have in a plus form and in a minus form. So this cancels this, and minus u cancels u, and w cancels minus w. Okay, so in the end we have all this is equals, so they are all erased. Let's say minus u and u cancel each other, and w and minus w cancel each other. So we are left with nothing. So all this equals 0. Okay, the 0 vector, because we are adding vectors. So this is what we should put here in the blank space. Their sum is minus 0. Okay, and I'll just write it down for you. Their sum is 0. 0 as a vector. Okay, and now they want us to draw a plane and put a triangle in it. Let's draw a plane. Let's say we have a plane. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and we are drawing, let's say this is 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and minus 1 and minus 2 and 1 and 2 and minus 1, I'm sorry, and minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, and this is the second part of question 21. Okay, and they say we have a point at 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1. So we have a point here, and we have, okay, this is, we can draw it as a vector also. Okay, we can put a line here and draw it as a vector. So we understand that the point and the vector, it's the same thing. I don't draw a vector, but the vector would be here and the arrow would be to here. Okay, so this is the point 3, 1. And another point is minus 1, comma 1. So minus 1, comma 1. Again, it can be a vector from the origin to here with an arrow like this, pointing to here. And another one would be, another point or another vector would be plus minus 2. I'm sorry. Minus 2, minus 2. Okay, let's put it here. Minus 2. I'm sorry. Minus 2, minus 2. Get us here. This is minus 2, minus 2. Again, it can be a vector from the origin to here. So if we add them together, okay, we have as vectors 3, 1 plus minus 1, 1 plus minus 2, minus 2. This equals how much? 3 plus minus 1, it's minus 2, okay? And this is three. Okay, yeah, that's what's written. So 3, the x component of this one, the first component, plus minus 1, the x component of this one, the first component, plus minus 2, the x component of this one, the first component. 3 plus minus 1, it's 2. Plus minus 2 it's 0. Okay? Okay, it's like 2 minus 2, it's 0. 1 plus 1, it's 2. Minus 2, it's 0. Okay? And why? Because we went 3 to the right, and then minus 1, and then minus 2 to the left. So 1 plus 2, it balances the 3 to the right. It's like 3 to the left. We went up one step, and then we went up another step, 1. So 2 steps to the upwards direction, and then 2 steps downwards. We have minus 2. Okay, so in this specific example, we went, they are all these points add up to 0, 0. Okay, and every 3 points, if we add them, if we add if they are in a circle, okay, and we went all along the circumference of the circle, we went around the circle a full all the way, we came back to the same point, okay, even if we start from here, or even if we start from here, if we add all the 3, we came back to the same point. Okay. Okay. So in this specific example, we got 0, 0. But we can in this example, for example, it won't give us it won't bring us to here, but it would bring us to the same point. You understand? Okay. So So this is question 21. Thank you.